Hello, and welcome to Curiosity Killed the Puss, a facts channel covering the intriguing mysteries of the world, from politics and the future of electric vehicles to the fascinating enigmas of nature. Today, we're going to break down the inner workings of something that has transformed our lives. You're driving on a winding road, taking each turn with precision. Suddenly, your car doesn't react the way you expect. Is it understeer or oversteer? Knowing the difference can improve your driving experience and safety. Today, we'll explain what understeer and oversteer are, their causes, and how to handle them. Let's get into it. What is understeer? Understeer is when a front-wheel drive car doesn't turn as sharply as you intend. It's like the car is ignoring your steering input and continuing straight ahead. This happens because the front wheels are doing all the work, steering and transmitting power. When they lose grip, the car plows forward instead of turning. This is more common in front-wheel drive cars, which have about 70% of their weight over the front wheels. The heavy front end pushes the car forward, making it harder to steer. Why is this setup cheaper to manufacture? It's simpler. The engine's power goes directly to the front wheels, covering a shorter distance than if it had to go to the rear. This simplicity makes cars prone to understeer more affordable. Think about it. Fewer parts, less complexity, lower cost. That's why many entry-level cars are front-wheel drive. Causes and effects of understeer. So what causes understeer? Several factors. High speeds can cause the front wheels to lose grip, especially in tight corners. Wet or icy roads reduce traction, making understeer more likely. And improper weight distribution. Too much weight in the front can also lead to understeer. If you feel your car understeering, don't panic. Here's what you do. Ease off the throttle and gently steer into the corner. This helps the front wheels regain grip. Avoid sudden movements, they can make things worse. Jeremy Clarkson from Top Gear puts it humorously. Understeer is when you hit the wall with the front of the car. What is oversteer? Now, let's talk about oversteer. This happens in rear-wheel drive cars when the rear wheels lose grip, causing the back end to slide out. Imagine your car's rear swinging wide around a corner. That's oversteer. The front wheels grip the road, but the rear doesn't, making the car turn more than intended. Rear-wheel drive cars often have a balanced 50/50 weight distribution. The engine is at the front, and the drive wheels are at the back, creating a balance that can lead to oversteer under certain conditions. Oversteer makes driving exciting and is common in high-performance cars like BMWs, Porsches, and the affordable Toyota GT86. These cars are designed for a thrilling drive, but that excitement comes with a price. They are more complex and expensive to manufacture. Causes and effects of oversteer. Oversteer can be caused by excessive throttle, sudden weight transfer, or low traction. If your car starts to oversteer, steer in the direction of the skid, counter-steering, to regain control. Clarkson explains it well. Oversteer is when you hit the wall with the rear of the car. Differences in handling and safety tips. How can you tell understeer and oversteer apart? Understeer feels like your car is pushing wide in a turn, ignoring your steering inputs. Oversteer feels like the rear of the car is trying to overtake the front, making the car rotate more than intended. Handling understeer and oversteer requires different techniques. For understeer, reduce speed and steering input gently. For oversteer, use gentle throttle modulation and counter-steering. Stay calm and make smooth, controlled inputs. Safety is crucial. Drive within your limits and adjust your speed to road conditions. Keep your tires in good condition. Worn tires can increase the risk of both understeer and oversteer. Use traction control and stability systems if your car has them. They can help manage these dynamics. Expert insights. Consider the Toyota GT86. This car is loved by enthusiasts for its balanced handling and affordability. It combines a non-turbo engine with skinny rear tires, making it prone to oversteer. This setup offers a playful, engaging drive. Toyota designed the GT86 for those who enjoy driving dynamics and want to experience oversteer safely. Jeremy Clarkson and the Top Gear team often highlight the differences between understeer and oversteer. Their explanations are entertaining and educational, showing real-world scenarios of these dynamics. Clarkson's humor makes complex topics relatable and easier to understand. Understanding these dynamics isn't just for racers. It's important for everyday driving too. Knowing how your car behaves in different conditions can keep you safer on the road. Whether it's wet, snowy, or dry, recognizing understeer and oversteer helps you respond effectively and maintain control. Now you have a solid grasp of understeer and oversteer. These dynamics are crucial for understanding how your car handles and how to stay safe. Next time you're behind the wheel, remember these tips. Recognize the signs, make smooth corrections, and adjust your driving to the conditions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. We'd love to hear your thoughts and any experiences you've had with understeer or oversteer. Thanks for watching and drive safe.